I'm glad you didn't start it on the other end. This is spectacular. How do you think that big sucker go up there?
You know, inch by inch. That was heavy. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. You know, I've always keep them trimmed, but these I didn't bother with because I know they're going to get it.
Yeah.
You know, so I just wanted to see if there's anything good first.
This is beautiful. I have to tell you, warm and beautiful.
Unfortunately, the high tide's going to be here in a little bit. We'll all get washed out to sea, but other than that, you know, it's not to worry.
I wish I brought a marshmallow.
Best bonfire I ever seen.
There went a lighter, Dan.
I know, there's 47 more lighters to go.
47 more pops you can look forward to.
Pretty impressive, right?
Yeah, I know. It doesn't surprise me at all.
And here we are 1 hour later. Still going strong.